In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ClickUp with Claude. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to click on Customize, and then you want to go to Connect Your Apps. Here, you want to search for ClickUp. There we go, and you want to click on this plus button next to connect, and then from here it's going to start granting access, and in a few seconds it's going to take you to ClickUp, to their website, where you basically will have to authorize. So I am signed in already, therefore I don't have to do it again. There we go. But if you're not signed in, it will prompt you to actually use your credentials to sign in. You can sign in with Google or email password, whatever you used, and then here you can just select your workspace, click on Connect Workspace, and it's going to start connecting, and then it's going to take you back to Claude. So there we go. As you can see, Claude is loading, and it's going to say ClickUp connected, and here you can go to connectors. You could go and click on ClickUp, and you could go and view your details, and here you can see kind of all the tools you can use, and with these you can interact inside a chat, inside Claude, with ClickUp in your workspace, okay, which is amazing. Now, of course, you could also go here and give it some tool permissions if you wanna, and of course revoke some if that's something you want to do, and that's essentially it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.